What up, pyros? This is 100 Flammer. I'm about to show you guys my little fireworks stash for 2024. The Blockbuster Ninja. I didn't open this one because there's already a bunch of them on YouTube being open, so I'm gonna just get into it. I got this 25 shot Saturn missile. Got some Roman candles up in there, some fountains. I don't know if these, a lot of them are like fountains slash cakes. I got some artillery shells. Got this fake ass wannabe Wonder Woman. Some big old cannons. Look at this nigga right here. I'm trying to chop some shit up. What else I got? I got this right here. We got some Sky Painter fireworks, gold sparklers. I got two of those. I think these last about a minute. See what else. And I got fireball candle. These are 8 shots. I don't know whose are these by, but these are pretty cool because these are, when they shoot up, they got a color and then a report. And then I got this bad boy. Look at that. Damn, nice picture. The Punisher. 24 shot. Oh shit, we got a Marvel up in here. If someone let me know in the comment if Sky Painter is partners with Happy Family, somebody let me know. I'm not sure. And then I got these black ass fucking bottle rockets, moon travelers. I tried these. But these ones, they're like whatever. They're not loud. I think each brand has only a few that are good. Pertaining to bottle rockets. And then I got yeah, by Alien. Stop screaming at me. 58 shots. This is whatever. This is low though. I got this other one. By Mando. Bean Day Ho brand. It's funny. Like the picture though. It says nice. This is a nice pancake. Anna's reports. Then I got Poke the Bear. I don't know who is it by. 20 shot. But this looks like Winnie the Pooh's demonic's brother. Like that. Let's see. Who else? Oh, I got this one. Lucky Puppy. Lucky Puppy. Yeah, this one's crazy because I don't know what I have. Either Burnout by Nunya or Lucky Puppy by Pyro Major or Magia. Because look at it. So it's all around. And on top. Burnout. It's crazy. So this one's like all color. Come in, Frank. This one's all color, and then this one's all reports, I believe. But I'll find out though. Frank, can you give me that one? Oh, right here, man. I got the little Mario, a Happy Family little fountain. Game on. Stay right here, Frank. Come on, just come in. And then I got this one. 24K gold, Happy Family, 13 shot. I didn't get to find a video on this, so find out how that one is. What do you think, Frank, on this one?
Yeah, I like it.
I don't even know how it looks like.
Yeah, it's the gold.
Oh, but you like the
Yeah, like the
picture?
yeah. I don't mean by the blowing up. Like
Let's see, and I got Wakanda for life. Look at this picture, Frank. You get
damn, guys.
another Marvel. Look at that's Marvel right there, the Punisher,
Uh-huh.
and I got Marvel right here.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Look at that.
My dad, did
Sick.
you know there's a kid that's same age as me, and he knows every what is it like speaking like Japanese.
Oh, like different languages.
Yeah, he knows every language.
Oh, cool. And look at we got Jaw Dropper, 16 shot, Nenya.
Is that Patrick or the?
No, this
lobster?
this is what is it called? This is Sebastian from Disney.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, was it that lobster or
I
Patrick?
think it's a crab or a lobster. I don't know which
yeah,
one
it was
it
the
is.
lobster. The lobster.
Lobster. And then I got this other one. Wilder Days by Nenya. 25 shot. That's pretty dope. And then I got Strobing Willow by Raccoon Fireworks. 25 shot. I think these are pretty dope too. Not bad. And in this one, no brand. Exercise the Devil. 25 shot. And these are all reports, I think. Maybe just like Burnout. I think this, yeah, I think it is all reports. And then I think this one too. That's crazy though, huh? Burnout? Lucky puppy. Which one is it, fool? And then I'm gonna save the last for the best, which is these rockets right here. I don't know. These had like black wrapping, or like I don't know. I don't know if these are like color and then a report. It says right there, so I'm not sure. But these ones right here, I got two of them. These are my favorite out of all the fireworks right now. I know somebody's been like, "Oh, those are not the best," but shit, I don't give a fuck. These are my best. I like them because they're not that expensive. They go high and they blow the fuck up. So shout out to Big Bully, Putazos. But I'll see you guys on the 4th though.